Good morning, friends, family, fans, all you DIYs, crafting people, artists, whatever you call yourself. Welcome to the next episode. I hope you guys are well. Today I got a good video for you guys today. We're gonna do lettering onto a wood board. I'm going to use vinyl as the stencil and then paint for the actual lettering. The board we're using is this one. So we're going to put some letters on here. This comes with a little string action. You can hang this. So we're going to put some letters on there using vinyl stencil and paint. So if you guys want to learn how to do that, stay tuned, watch to the end. If you have any questions, leave them below. Please like, share, subscribe if you want. Other than that, just make these videos for you guys. Whatever, yeah, do whatever you want. But yes, please like, share, subscribe. Yeah, if you have any questions, please let me know. Like I've said before, if you are wanting to create something and don't have the equipment to, create vinyl or anything, let me know. I can do it for you. I'll ship it out to you. Other than that, let's get it going. What? That's terrible. Okay, so putting letters on this board. You guys probably know the routine. We need to get sizing of where we're going to do our lettering, right? So I'm going to just take the overall size, 20 by 9.75. So I'm going to create pretty much a mock-up of this board. I take the measurement of the surface area that I'm going to use. In this case, I have this rectangle, so I take, measurement from end to end, top to bottom. I create that space into, the software. If you can see here, let me try to make the outline thicker. So that box. So essentially that is this board, right? So now I can create within there in the software. So now my favorite part, gotta find the font. I know exactly what we're gonna put on here. We're gonna do a saying that says, all you need is love, because that's all you need. Okay, so now that we have our letters, we have it all sized out, time to load our vinyl onto the cutter and get the vinyl cut out, get the letters cut out, and then we weed them out. Put our letters on our board with paint. Oh man, this is going to be fun. Okay, so I have to load the vinyl, send this to that, get it chopped out, and we'll go to the next step. We have our letters cut now on the vinyl. Now we just have to weed it out. And so, because we are using this as a stencil, we are only going to weed out, we're going to keep the background this time. If you see my other videos, the background gets removed. So just depending on what you're doing, kind of surface you're working with, is what, it'll call for. So, another one of my favorite parts is weeding. X-Acto knife, nice sharp tip. Just weed out all your letters. Be careful. Just pay attention so you don't lose any any elements that you need for your design. Okay, so let me weed this out and we'll go to the next move. I'll be right back. Okay, got the letters weeded out. Now it is time to mask it, masking tape. Okay, squeegee all this down. Squeegee your areas down where, so the purpose of the squeegeeing is to make your masking transfer tape adhere better to the areas that you're going to want it to lift up when you're ready to pull it. When you're ready to pull the masking off with the vinyl attached. So you just want to make sure it pulls up everything. Okay. Alright. So there's that. Now I'm just going to trim this up. And then we are ready to transfer this onto our board and then get some paint ready. Paint the letters in. Woo! Oh yeah, I'm excited. Here we go. Okay, I got the letters are on. The masking tape is backing. There's the board. Everything's ready. I have a hinge taped here. So now we're gonna lay the vinyl onto the board. This, it'll be the letters you'll be able to see the wood through because that's what we removed, right? And that's what we're gonna paint. The vinyl's on there. You have your stencil now. So now you can choose whatever color paint you want and paint that in there. And then you'll remove this part. And then the letters will just remain on the board. So let me get some paint and that'll be next. All right, so as I was up looking for, well, I might change my mind. I found this paint marker I had, soft top. I was thinking about using these brushes and just dabbing white paint, which I still might end up doing because there's some crevices. But I wanted to see how this worked out, so let's just go for it. Is this about to come out cooler than I thought? So that's going to be my technique all the way through. So far, so good. I'm on love now. This thing is going to be amazing. This is going to come out really good, you guys. After you see this video, go pick up a board and make yourself one, or I can make one for you. All you need is love. Somebody said that one time, man. I can't wait to see when we pull the background off what's left. Okay, I think we're ready to peel this vinyl off. Let's do it. Okay. Looks like a really old sign. Okay. This is pretty cool. Look at this. All right. Oh! What do you guys think of that? That came out pretty good, no? So thanks for watching. You guys are awesome.